How to fix this account might include sensitive content on X or Twitter. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this account might include sensitive content on X or Twitter. So let's get started. You cannot do it from the application. You will be able to see the option, but that will actually not work. To get rid of that, what you gotta do is simply head over and open any of the browser you have on your device. So I have opened Safari because I'm having an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So simply open and search for x.com. Don't simply search X because that will redirect you to the application. So search for x.com and log in with your account credentials. And then you got to click on your profile on the top left. Then you got to scroll down, click on settings and privacy. Then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you got to do is simply head over and click on privacy and safety. Over here, you're going to click on content you see. And here, you'll be able to see an option that says display media that may contain sensitive content. So you're going to simply click this and you'll be able to see a tick mark. So now when you restart your Twitter application or your X application, then you'll be able to see that error would be resolved and you'll be able to see the sensitive content as well. So that's basically how you can fix this account might include sensitive content on X or Twitter. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.